Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be real honest right now and say I have no idea what's happening with the camera. My dad changed the lighting settings on it, and so for the first time in forever, you can see my rosacea. Yay. I mean, I really just don't know what's going on with the camera, so. But anyway, I wanted to film this video with no makeup on today because I find myself just like always wanting to be like, oh, I need to look perfect because I'm filming a YouTube video today. And that's just like not the kind of person I want to be to myself. Like I don't want to put the pressure on myself to be perfect. So I'm just not gonna film it with any makeup on because it's less than perfect and you know, whatever. And of course I can see in the monitor my rosacea looks crazy. So just a little win in today. We're doing awesome. Moving into today's topic, I want to share with you guys some bridal shower, bridal like registry tips, things like that, because if you have been following me, you know that I had my bridal shower last Sunday. I filmed a video on the makeup that I will be wearing for my wedding day that I wore to my bridal shower. I will link that video right here for you guys, so make sure that you check that out as well. Make sure you subscribe too. So I just kind of want to show you my tips on registering for your shower, and also things that I got for my registry and like things that maybe you don't think you need or vice versa. You know, I'm just gonna get into all the good stuff, okay? Okay, make sure you go below and subscribe. If you are new here, we are so close to 500 subscribers, and I love every single one of you so much. I'm just being too extra because I'm just, okay, let's move on. Let's move on. So moving into the registry list, you guys, with Pinterest nowadays, you know there's like 4 million lists on the internet of things to register for. And honestly, when I was looking for registry lists, I got so overwhelmed. Also because a lot of the lists were like, when you register, you'll be 4 to 6 months away from your wedding. I registered 13 months out. So many people thought I was crazy for doing that, but honestly, I got registry gifts for graduation. I got them for Christmas. So it actually worked in my favor. I really didn't want to register. I wasn't super excited about it because I thought it was gonna be stressful. It was. But if you're looking for a list, you're going to want to get the Mindy Wise Wedding Planner book. I've talked about this book on my blog. I will link that blog post below. You guys, just, this book is so amazing, but it gets better reviews than the one from The Nut, and it has, ooh, not there. So it's got all of these pages. All these pages, just things that you need to register for, the description, the store, if you've got them. I mean, I'm talking like things you don't even think of, like double broiler, roasting rack, like 22. What the heck do I need that for? Another great tool of reference that will also be linked below is the Knot Book of Wedding Lists. I've talked about this in a YouTube video before. If I can find it, I will link it here for you guys. This has all kinds of lists in it. I've written things. A great checklist that's very detailed, that's not gonna make you want to go crazy. So those are definitely what I recommend as far as like lists go. When it comes to registering, the biggest tip that I can give you is like understand that it's going to take a long time. Like I think it took us like 6 to 8 hours. Wear comfortable shoes and take snacks because I get hangry, and I did get hangry while we were there walking around for 6 hours trying to pick out the different coffee pots and things like that. It's just, it kills. So take snacks, wear comfortable shoes. Just know that it's gonna take a really long time. I wouldn't recommend having any plans after like something that you have to do because it takes so long. I also have to say, taking my mother was the best decision ever because it was just me, my fiance, and my mom. My mom held the clipboard of the lists that we had going. My fiance was in charge of scanning and I was in charge of picking things out. And that system kind of worked for us. Just get a system going. Definitely take at least one, well, probably at most one person to help you. You're gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. I promise. I'm just being dramatic like always. Okay? It's fine. So I just kind of wanted to quickly show you guys some of the things that I got, and I'm going to start with just the most magical piece. This is a piece of my china. Not everybody registers for china. Some people do, and they don't register for expensive china. I wanted to register for china. Sam was kind of on the fence about it, but it's so pretty. You'll see what I mean. So this is a Kate Spade piece. I will link it down below if I can find it. On Macy's, it and the china. You can't really see the design, but it's got this like silver edge here, a black line, and then gold like detailing around the edge that's super light and gorgeous. And I loved it because it's silver and gold. And so registering for china was something I'm very glad I did. We actually got a lot of everyday dishes, which we are so freaking grateful for. We've used them a lot already and we love them. We registered at Target and Macy's. Register wherever is good with you, but I think we preferred Macy's because it's a little bit more high-end, and then we chose Target because it's a little bit more everyday, and we wanted to give our guests the decision of like deciding where they wanted to shop. And we did register for some of the same things at both stores. We ended up getting some double gifts because of that, which is not bad. This is such a pretty, oh. So it's from Mud Pie, I guess is the brand. This came from my aunt. And look at this pretty, we did not register for this. And this is one of those things that like you don't register for that you get and you're like, it's perfect. It's literally perfect. And I really want to use this somehow on the wedding day. I just don't know how. I'm kind of thinking something on the cake table. Something I didn't register for that I needed, that I forgot, that was on the list that I just didn't pay attention to was glasses. So I actually got gift cards, a few gift cards from the bridal shower. And that is something that I love getting when people give me gift cards. And I ended up returning, we got like double or triple gifts of a few things. We had too many, so I ended up returning them, put the extra money on the gift card, and got these. These are the cutest glasses. I will link them below for you guys if I can find them on Target online. That is definitely something you need to register for, is everyday glasses, because I guess just because we have glasses, I didn't think like we needed more, but it is something you need. So registering for everyday stuff, not just fancy stuff like the china and the Mr. and Mrs. plate. You get what I'm talking about. You need stuff from all around. Something that I did register for that I got. You guys, my aunt got me this. It is the most beautiful, it's not in here obviously, the most beautiful crystal vase I've ever seen in my life. And I don't have a vase. That was something else that people were like, you don't really have to register for, but you can, is crystal. And I was like, you know what? I'm not super like into crystal, so I'll register for it. If I get it, I'll be grateful. If I don't, I'll be fine. And I registered for 2 crystal things. Both of them have been taken off our registry. I haven't received the other one, so I don't know who got us that. This is a stunning piece. I highly recommend at least just registering for crystal. And if you get it, like I said, you'll just be grateful. If you don't, it's fine, because that's actually gonna be something we can use forever. Instead, I just saw my face on the monitor holding this thing, and I'm thinking, you know, I need a wine glass that's actually that big, that holds that much wine. So where are my wine girls at? Because you need this, okay? So this is actually something my parents got, my fiance and I. It's the Cellar 8-piece wine glass set, pulled stem, 4 red, 4 white wine glasses, something that we got. We did register for these. When you get older, you know, you want to be fancy and bougie, and we registered for wine glasses, ended up getting them, and I am so glad that we did, because they're nice, and your girl loves herself some wine, both red and white. I don't discriminate, and so I am so grateful for that gift. So my whole point in saying that is register, back to the China thing, for nicer dishes. I'm a little all over the place. Register 50% for nice things, 50% for normal things. So like we registered for a griddle that we actually got today as a gift. We registered for casserole dishes. We registered for everyday dishes, towels, picture frames, very simple things. And then we registered for fine china, an expensive knife set. So things like that. You just want to have presents of all ranges. You don't want to just go low end or high end, because, you know, some people want to get you nice gifts and you need to let them. I hope I got my point across to you. When registering, try to get yourself a really good solid list. If you already live with your fiance, like I did with mine when we registered, kind of go through what you have, what you're willing to get rid of, what you want new of, because that's what we did. That's why when I was showing you the list earlier, you are seeing like some X marks. I'm not sure if you guys can see this. There's like X marks throughout these, because things like wooden spoons, like we already had wooden spoons. So we didn't need to register for those because we like ours. Coffee maker, tea maker. Yeah, I ain't asking nobody to pay $300 for a daggum thing. Loaf pan. They're crap. What is a loaf pan? What's a tart pan? What's a tart? Thank you so much for watching. If you are new here, please make sure to go below and subscribe. I hope you join my YouTube family. I love you guys so, so much. I'm so, so grateful for every single one of you, and I hope to see you in my next video.